Today I'm going to show my sisters a dress. Middle age. U letter neck. My hand is on the outside. It's under the chest. And break up the waist to get these pleats. With this model, my sisters, you can sew it out of Lionel or the hard fabric ones. It's like separating us or khaki. Now let's design this template. My sisters need to prepare the measurements. This is the neck measurement, the chest measurement, waist measurement, and hip measurement. I'm going to measure this on my body. Each of you will have different measurements. We measure and apply it right to the formula that I'm introducing. Now we're going to start going in. Design recipe for this shirt. First is long dress. This dress will be measured starting from apart, ankle up. It depends on the height of each of you. Then we'll have the right measurements for it. Let's say we have a measure of length here. Then I'll take the shoulder piece. Shoulder is equal to shoulder. Divide 2 is equal to 32. Divide 2 is equal to 16. By 16. Then you lower your shoulders to 4. And then I'll take it to her. Here you take her and divide her by 5. Is equal to 30. Dividing by 5 is equal to 6. Then I connect it in. The lower chest, you will take the chest. Divide by 5 and add 3. A plus 2 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2, we're 18. Then I'll take it from up here down. This is equal to 18. Built across the street. And then across the chest. Then you're going to divide the chest by 4. Plus 280 divided by 4. Plus 2 is equal to 22. Across a street is 22. Then you will lower it. Let's start from this point. I got 35 from the waist down. Take it down to 35. Then I'll get my waist back. Divide 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. Taking over is 18. And then we're going to have lower buttocks. They measure from the waist to the biggest point of the butt. Then we'll get the lower buttocks. I'm going to be the butt divided by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 2 and 1. I took 21. I'm connected here now. You can draw the letter A. This is the year of gasoline. We're going to get a dress like this. And then we build a perpendicular line down. Back into to petrol. Back into 2 petrol again. So from here you're going to back up to 3.5. This neck will be square neck. It's going to be a square neck and from outside you're right and this angle is right. Then I will you see this square neck from up here down. Then it will be equal to the Japanese breast threshold. You're down to 9. And then we're going to build a straight line that's perpendicular. And from here to here. If you add up to 1 centimeter of gasoline, you can round the corner. Then we'll get a round square neck. I'm going to back up to 8. Long dress number 15. That square neck, it's right here. You're going to come in this corner for me and reduce this for me. 7 Li, so that we can hold the neck of the face, it won't open. So after we've done that, this way. So this is the point at the top of the chest. From the top of your chest, ladies, give me 7 more gas and I will run out. This way out. I will break the second body of the dress. And down here, you'll cut it open in a minute. We'll split up. Then we finish the body first. Now I'm going to draw the back body. From here, you will come up. 2 gasoline. I came out here to clean the glass without 7 dots. This is A. And this part of the dress has changed by folding its hips. I'll just leave it for later. And here you'll paint. The back of this part is for me the year of gasoline. And now we're going to start cutting samples. My pattern is to share that there is no seam. Remember, except for the seams. I'll cut the red line. That's the first uterine line. But come here, I'll stop. I cut through, ladies. I'll do the layering later. The lower half of my body will fall apart. I'll cut the isolation later. This piece of the previous body. It's going to be like this. You see, we have the body first. After that, I will reduce this part. 1 centimeter gasoline. And the front body, we're going to cut this way. We're going to get a body like this. And you're going to cut this road open. Then we'll get the body first. And this road will also fall apart. It is cut. Then what we're going to draw for your hand. I'll put this in my hand. Here, I measure the previous towel as 21. I can measure 22 on the back. Then you will take the part. This excess paper, we're going to define a path. This way you will. If you measure it from up here, it's the chest. Divide by 10 sisters plus 5. 80 divided by 10. Plus 5, we're equal to 13. Then from top to bottom we're going to equal these 13. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then you'll take the underarm line. Previous are 2 plus armpit then lines. 22. Then it will be equal to 43. If you divide 2, you're equal to 2.5 dots. Then you take it from here right around the corner. Let the number 21.5 and the road over. You will get the last point of no. Then we split it in half. What you're going to get in there is 1 gas, and here are 2. Then, here's the H hand part. Here, you take out 3 millimeters of gasoline. Then we'll connect to the point. Here's the head of the arm and we'll bend it. Let's turn it back to a perpendicular line. Then we'll get a TikTok look of this dress. And you guys fix this right here. That we will. To get out the hand shape, it's going to be shorter up like this. Here's the body. Body behind. Then we'll put the back arm in here. As for the first part, you will put it down. Put down a gasoline. Then we'll get the front. This will be the front hand. This will be the back. On this shirt, you will leave that part here. Leave it here so we can hold the neck. You can hit bend or break. Let's look at the previous body again. There are two pieces. Here's the sleeve. That's two pieces, and this is the sleeve. The one in front of me is F. I will sew the body first. And the back body. Type AB, mark AB. So this is the back. That. As you can see, your details are complete. Now to the dress. I left this shirt alone over here. This dress, after you finish designing it like this, you open up. I see it on the Arabic model. How many cups does it have? Every theater has one or two. The two boxes in the middle are empty. Then the first stack, it's going to be right here at the waist. This glass is a clutch. So I'm going to stack it, and it's going to be about 5 gasoline. This is the year of gasoline. This is when you open it. If you open it up, it'll be 10 gallons. 10. 10 on each side is 20. And then you'll continue to fold. After you have broken these two glasses. So we're going to cut this back. Give it equal. And we put the body in. The front is the same as the back. You put your body in. Then we'll be able to mark the body. Then, I want to get the letter A out. In this part, you reduce the fuel year. That's what I see. Is that we're going to get the body of the dress. Which is arranged with the letter A has two glasses. Big is clutch. This is my shirt. Look again, this is the part. I put it in the main shirt. Well, in that case, ladies. Called. Here's your hand in case you guys are. Fortunately for this model, we are. The body down here will always use before and after. Then you remember that there's a vertical part here, so we're going to have to draw the vertical part in here. Let's press this side again. Then when you press this side, it will retract. And we're going to reduce this. If we give it equal, we'll be able to complete the model. This dress. I just finished sharing it with my sisters. The way we do it. For the dress that has square pleats. For the body. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.